Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, thank you for participating in the webinar to know more about CI-Trade.in. I would also like to thank CI and Anil for arranging this webinar. So this is the third session that we are doing in a span of 2 months. So we want more people to come and visit CI-Trade.in so that most business can get benefited. So in today's session, we will focus on what is CI-Trade.in, what are all the benefits of getting registered in CI-Trade.in, and how you can get registered in CI-Trade.in. So to introduce myself, I am Sainath Pareya. I am taking care of marketing and business development, the strategic partnership alliances for CI-Trade.in, working with Cloudbuy. So today what we are going to discuss is about what is CI-Trade.in, what is the e-commerce opportunity for the Indian business, which I am going to skip it in this point of time, how CI-Trade.in will help the Indian business, what is the role of Cloudbuy, and how you can sign up and what are the next steps. And at the end, we will have a 15 to 20 minutes question and answer session where you can ask all the questions or any doubts you have got. So yeah, my sincere request is like during the beginning the session, kindly don't ask the question so that we may skip that particular question. So when the webinar gets over, you can ask the particular question so that we can answer it. So what is CI-Trade.in? CI-Trade.in is a joint initiative by CI, one of the largest industry associations in India, which has got around 8,000 plus members across the globe. And actually around 200,000 plus members, which is associated with the affiliated associations. So CI has got a vision in order to create a platform where the member companies of the CII can showcase their product and services, where the global audience or the global business buyers can come and buy the product. So as CI was exploring a lot of technology partners, the Cloudbuy came into the picture. We as a UK-based company, we are a e-commerce company which have got strength in creating B2B marketplaces. So this platform we thought of creating not only for the CI members, but for the non-members of the CI can also be a part of this particular platform against the annual registration fee, which is the nominal amount. So it's a joint initiative by CI and Cloudbuy, which is a part of India-UK initiative. So the portal has been, the agreement has been officially signed when the Honorable Prime Minister of India went to UK last November. And the platform has been launched around 3.5 months back during Global Exhibition on Services in Delhi. So the platform, this is an online marketplace for international and domestic trade, where the suppliers or manufacturers can meet buyers. Buyers actually the outsourcers or the wholesalers on a global scale. So a supplier or a manufacturer can list their product and services. So compared to another marketplaces, which I'm not naming, but the current marketplaces which is in the market, you can not only upload the products, but also if you have got the services, that is your own services, you can list your services also, so that the buyers across the globe can come and buy the product. Buy the product in the sense it can be, they will be able to know more about your company products. So as a platform, we are directly competing with some of the major because B2B platforms in India as well as across the globe. As this is a global platform, there are a lot of buyers are looking into this particular platform. So this is a platform exclusively for CII members as well as the non-members, which is the industries across the globe, where they can upload their product and services, which helps for a new trading opportunities within the country and across the globe. And this platform actually, we are also helping SMEs and MSMEs so that which propel the growth of both the sectors. So SMEs and MSMEs who contribute 8% of the India's GDP, we help them to get their product visibility, get their products visible to the global audience across the globe. So this platform really helps or empower SMEs and MSMEs in order to showcase their product and services. So the market will become competitive so that the equal weightage will be given to SMEs as well as MSMEs. And this platform, we are aiming to be one of the largest B2B B2B trading platform as well as knowledge e-marketplace. So we wanted to create something different from other marketplaces which you see in the market as of now. So this marketplace is what we want. We want to create such a platform where when an individual comes in this particular platform, they will be able to get each and everything from one single place. So this will act as a one-stop shop where the business houses can get all the information in one go, from the product and services part as well as from the knowledge part. So this platform, we are also planning to help the investors to know what are the investment opportunities in various states of India, so that when an investor comes, they will get an understanding, okay, this is the right state for me to invest. So we are discussing with various state governments of India to create an ecosystem where each and every aspects of the state, the investment opportunity in the state will be included. This is a platform which supports the Make in India and Digital India initiative, which has been launched by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi. So as I told in the beginning, this platform actually empowers MSMEs and SMEs through CIITrade.in. So majority of the Indian companies belong to SMEs and MSME category. So we want to really empower them so that their products as well as services will be visible to the global audience. So that, as I told you in the beginning, the market will become competitive so that even the buyers will get a competitive products or services. So the MSMEs and SMEs can showcase their product and services to various business houses in India and across the globe. This is actually a low-cost medium for SMEs and MSMEs as well as for the bigger MNCs with higher return of investment. The higher return of investment in the sense they will get the maximum number of orders or the maximum number of inquiries. I just get that order part. It depends upon the buyer, but this is a tool which can generate maximum number of inquiries. This platform helps SMEs and MSMEs to establish a new trading relationship between companies in addition to the current supporting system whatever they have got. So mostly the people are a bit hesitant to come into a digital platform where they can showcase their product and service. So we are just helping not only from the listing of products and services as I told, we also help the business houses to connect with the SMEs and MSMEs as well as the MNCs so that they can have a smooth transition of trade. The platform will help SMEs and MSMEs to reach target customers for export and import. There are a lot of MSMEs which have got very good product, but from the marketing as well as from the branding point of view, they are not able to reach into such a scale. So that through this particular platform, they were able to showcase their product and service to the global audience. Mostly as the competition in the B2B marketplaces or B2B platforms are getting highly, it's becoming more competitive. What is happening now, the people wanted to trade through a trusted platform. So this is a platform which is a joint initiative by CII, which is one of the credible industry association in India, which is one of the oldest industry association in India. There are a lot of buyers across the globe, which we as a company like CloudBuy, which we have created a lot of marketplaces across the globe. A lot of buyers are looking towards India and through this marketplace to buy products. And platform this platform also help the SMEs and MSMEs to. This is a platform which is very easy to use, which can have there is not much complication for people to use it. So this is very easy to navigate, and this is actually a platform which attract the global buyers. And the easiness of usage of this particular platform is very smooth compared to all other platforms. So this as a part of India UK initiative, the platform has been launched. So how CI Trade.in help member organization as well as non-member organizations of CI. So as I told you in the beginning, for CI members as well as CI non-members, there's a nominal annual registration fee that we are charging. But the difference that I will tell you during the course of time. So the free listing for the members as well as for the non-members of CII, the free online listing of the company is available, which will be visible in India and across the globe. So when you upload your product and services, you are not only uploading your product and services, you are also uploading the brief details about your company. So your company is also automatically promoted. And this is a platform where it helps to sell the products and services online. You can upload the existing product catalog. So whatever product catalog that you have got, you can upload it. If you have got multiple products, there is a facility that you can download Excel file, which is a format which is currently available, and you can add the details and you can upload it on a mass manner. So this is a place where if you do want to showcase a price for your particular product, there is an option called request for price option is also available. And through this particular platform, you can display multiple images of your product and services. And this platform helps to process inquiries, orders, invoice, and payments online. So through this particular platform, you can process your inquiries, you can process the orders, you can create the invoices, and the payment can be done through online. And there is this platform offers a secure shopping basket and checkout process for the buyers. So it's like a smooth transition for the buyers where they can buy the product, they can just add to the basket, and they can check out. The payment can be done through variety of methods, including credit card, cash on delivery, or net banking, RTGS, or NEFT. And there is a low charges per transaction that we are charging as of now. So for the buyers, CITrade.in brings a B2C shopping experience to the B2B purchasing concept. So it's nothing but, I hope most of the people who have registered for this webinar used to purchase from Flipkart, Snapdeals and all, which is a B2C model, where the same model you have to just think, and the same model that we have replicated in a B2B platform. So it's a very easy process. So a buyer has to just logging into this particular platform with their respective user ID and password. They can search through the multiple criteria. Then once they find the relative products, either they can buy the product through the checkout process and all, and then if they want, if it is not available, then they can also ask for the request of price, because if there is larger quantity, some of the manufacturers or the suppliers will not like to register their price for the product and services, because it may be a competitive pricing. So the buyer can request for a price. At the same time, the supplier can reply back to the buyer with the respective price. So the buying and selling happens through one single platform, which helps the buyer as well as supplier to track the entire process. Say normally what is happening in other B2B marketplaces as of now, say once a buyer places an order, an email will go to the supplier and that's it. From there you will not be able to, you have to take that particular email as the confirmation. Now if you miss that particular email, then again you have to go back and ask the buyer to resend the mail and all. But through this particular platform, what is happening is like you will get the entire history of what is the kind of order. So this is a one single stop shop for each and every users. So these are the two things. If you see on your right hand side, you can find two tabs. One is request information. This is the place where request information which is highlighted, where the supplier was not able to, supplier is not ready to showcase their price, because their price may be competitive. So that is the reason they have put the request for price information, and they will get more about that particular product, particular company, and there is an option called buy now. So as I told you, the platform has been launched around 12 months back. We are getting a good number of response from the Indian as well as the global industry. Some of the transactions are happening through this particular platform. Transaction in the sense we have not included the payment gateway. The payment gateway is going to include soon. But the buyers started process inquiries to various suppliers, and currently they are offline. They are making the payment for the particular product. So as of now, there are around 450 plus suppliers has been registered. Of that, 200 plus suppliers have already added their products, and currently we have got around 8,000 products. And we have so currently, as of now, we are in the process of onboarding the CI member, the product and services of the CI member companies. Apart from that, all other non-member companies can also get registered. And as of now, for a year, we are not charging any annual registration fee from members as well as non-members. So I urge you in order to get registered into this particular platform so that you will be able to showcase your product and services to the global audience. So when you go to citrade.in, now you can get registered as a buyer or as a supplier. So the registration process is very simple. To register as a supplier, click on the supplier. There is a supplier account option which is available. So the URL for citrade.in is www.citrade.in. On the top right corner, you will be getting three options. One is supplier account, buyer account, and the basket. In the supplier account, once you click the supplier account, it's a 4 simple step procedure that you have to just where you have to add company information, add your product and service. You can configure how you want to receive your order. When you are happy with the data, click finish, and you have to just confirm your marketplace membership. So before that, you may have to enter your company details and all other details. By submitting it, you will be getting user ID and password to access this particular platform. There will be an option where it will be asking for CII membership number. So if you are a CII member, then you can put the CII membership number. So it differs from region to region. This is just in order to confirm that you are from a CII member company. You can add your products manually, as I told you in the beginning. Either you can add your products manually, or you can just upload it on a bulk manner by downloading the current format which is available. So we have categorized into various sectors, or there are various categories currently available. So these are the categories which is currently available. So you can choose the respective sector which belongs to. So there is manufacturing, services, healthcare, energy and water, technology, tourism and hospitality, transport, agriculture, trading, finance and advice. So even this is the main category. There are even subcategories which is available under each and every main category. So under manufacturing category, you can find categories like aerospace, automobiles, chemicals, defense, general, gems and jewelry, etc., etc. So according to your interest, you can just upload the product and services. But when you choose a category, you have to choose the right category where your product belongs to, so that when a buyer comes and search the particular product, they will be able to get the details as according to the category that you have uploaded. Say your product belongs to auto components, and unfortunately you have put it in something like oil and gas. what happens when a genuine customer comes and when they search the auto components, the product will not be visible. So this is the place where you have to just spend 15 to 20 minutes. Then you upload your product and services in the right manner so that the buyers, it will become more easy for the buyers. So the question that everybody asks, do I need to pay? Yeah, obviously there is registration fee involved in that for the suppliers to get registered. For the buyers, we are not charging anything. For a CI member company, in order to list their product and services, the B2B e-commerce platform, which is CItrade.in, we are not charging initially. But when the first transaction happens, we are charging an annual membership fee of INR 20,000 per year. This is towards the administrative cost when the first successful transaction happens. For the non-member companies, they have to pay an annual fee of 20,000 in order to get their product listed in the B2B platform. Unless and until they don't make the payment, their product will not be listed in this particular platform. So what is the role of CloudBuy? The CloudBuy is a UK-based company started in 1999 by an ex-Olympian called Mr. Ronald Duncan, who represented Great Britain twice in skiing. Our headquarters is in UK. So we are one of the listed company in UK Stock Exchange. We are a PCI this level 1 complaint company, which is one of the highest security level. So all our data are protected. So we are e-commerce company. We used to create marketplaces across the globe. So we have created, there are many marketplaces which is currently running in UK. One of the marketplaces that we have created is for the universities. So there are around 800 colleges who have been part of this particular platform. Then Visa APAC is our strategic partner. We are working with Visa in order to create more marketplaces, as well as we are trying to bring more barriers for this particular platform. UKTI is another strategic partner, and CII and ASME against for CII, we have created this particular platform. Similarly for ASME, which is one association based out of Singapore, we are also going to create a marketplace for them. So these all marketplaces will be combined together so that your product will be listed in other marketplaces also, as well as those buyers who have been registered in the other marketplaces can be also be a part of this particular platform, so that the buyers can come and buy the product. So apart from that, we have got our own other products which is related to sales and distribution side, as well as from the procurement side. So I'm not explaining that into detail, so you can just write to me so that I can explain you more. So what are the next steps? The next step is basically you have to just go to www.citrade.in and you have to just register. So if you face any difficulty, you can write to business@citrade.in, and there is a toll-free number. You can call to this particular toll-free number from Monday to Saturday. Our customer care team will be available. So Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on Saturday 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Our dedicated team will help you. Once you register, automatically, once you register, when you started uploading your product and service, our customer care team will handhold you so that your product and services will be listed in the right manner. So before we move to the question, I would like to show you the demo of this particular platform so that you can have a better understanding of the same. So as I mentioned, I'm just highlighting the URL. It's www.ciitrade.in. So you have to just www.ciitrade.in, and this is the landing page of ciitrade.in. So in the top you can find the menus like home, contact, and this is a place where you can browse the category, and even from the body of the landing page also you can find the category. That is the main category you will be able to find. And there is a master which is available where you can search the product and services. So you can either type or you can do a blind search. So currently, as I told you, there are around 8,000 plus products which is currently available now. It's taking some time. So currently, these are the products which is currently available now. So on your top, on your left hand side, you will be able to find the search filters. So you can order by relevant, by alphabetical, the price ascending and price descending manner, and you can also search by faces. Then you can also search by category from the master searches. So these are some of the products which has been currently uploaded. We are a bit rigid in approving the product and service for the certain things, because as per the Indian government, there are certain products which are not allowed to trade through a B2B marketplaces. Some is like highly explosive chemicals, then the medicines. So every product, when you upload it, we used to do a cross check so that it doesn't trade any illicit material. So we want to do it in such a manner that, because we have to do it in a credible manner. So we used to check each and every product which gets uploaded in this particular platform. So you can find the product here. What is this product all about? Who is the supplier? The part number, you can put it like whatever part number that you have decided. This is the price, and if you're ready to buy, you can buy. So here, if you are going to buy one quantity, the price is 225, and if you are going to buy two quantity, it will be around 450. So the price will also automatically change according to the number that you have, according to the number of products that you are going to buy. This I will come in a later stage. So I just want to show the kind of products which is currently available as of now. So this is another option that I told you, that where they have not given the price of the particular material. Instead of the price, they are opting the users for the request for price. This I will come back to you in another 5 to 10 minutes. Now on the top right corner, you will be able to find the supplier account. This is a place where a supplier, if you are a new supplier, you can just register. I told you registration process is very simple. So I will show you the entire the process how you can get registered in this particular platform. So here you can give your name. So I'm just giving my name, my family name, my email ID. What is the organization? We have to go to the next. So you can put the address line. So currently I'm just putting address as the address. there are certain fields which are mandatory and there are certain fields which are non-mandatory. So you fill the details. Why certain fields are mandatory? Because at the latest stage when a buyer and they want to contact you, at this point of time, your entire details has to be in a proper manner. Now, the username, either you can put the username what you want, or automatically your email ID will be your username. Password, you can anything. So there is a particular, there should be one capital letter, there should be one special character, there should be one number. There is another option called maybe if you want to get the promotional materials from our side, you can just tick mark the checkbox, or else if you don't want to receive, you can just uncheck it. So the current username is already available, so that is the reason. So if you have got a SIN number, that is a company identification number, you can just enter your company identification number. And as I told you, if you have got a CI membership number which belongs to the exclusively belongs to CI member companies according to the various regions, you can add that also, which will make us our process easy while approving the product. This is a place where you have to choose the category. So this is one of the important place where you have to choose the right category where your product belongs to. Basically the sectors. So if you are from a automobile sector, you can select manufacturing, then automobile, auto component, so that the people will when a person tracks the entire thing, it will be easy for them, for the buyers, so that your product will be also listed in such a manner that it will listed in the right place. So you can choose multiple category also, and you can there is a terms and condition, there is a disclaimer and privacy policy. After reading, you can just check the box and you can just complete the registrations. Once you complete the registration, you will be getting a system generated user ID and password through which you can access this particular platform. So once you get the ID and platform password, you can log in and there will be a dashboard which is available where you can upload your product and services. You can choose what is the mode of payment that you want to receive. Then you have to send a membership request. So once the membership request has been submitted, within a span of 24 to 48 hours, our team will cross-check the entire product and services what you have uploaded. If anything missing, we will revert you back, and then once we approve, your product will be listed in this particular platform. Similarly, for the buyers also, registration is very simple. There are not much many steps. So even the buyers can get registered into this particular platform, and they will get a user ID and password. Unless and until if they get registered, then only they will be able to purchase the products through this particular platform. Otherwise, they will not be able to do any purchases. So when a supplier tries to log into the particular platform, the page will automatically move to a particular platform called CloudSnap. But the supplier should not worry. This is a platform which is integrated through this. So through this particular platform only you will be able to go to your dashboard. So one thing which I want to tell, a supplier can also become a to become a supplier. A supplier can become a buyer in the sense, say you are a supplier of an XYZ product, but for you, in order to make that XYZ product, you may require an ABC product. Yeah, through this particular platform, you can search that ABC product and it's available. You can purchase it in a competitive price. I just forgot my password. I'm just So this is a typical case when you forgot your password. There's an option called forgot password which is available, where you can just submit the details so that your password will be retrieved. I have received an email with the user ID and password for setting it. So once I reset it, I will be able to log into my particular platform. You have to just wait for another 1 more minute. So we are going into the supplier dashboard page, where you will be able to upload your product and services. As soon as you get logged in, and just show a glance of how the page looks like. Then we can go to the Q&A section where I can answer more. So this is actually the supplier wizard page where you can start the entire process. So you can add your company details. So there is a process by which you can, if you go to the landing page, you will be able to see set up using step-by-step wizard. Through this wizard, you can add the particular details, and you can upload your product and services, and you can ask for the marketplace membership request. So this is very simple procedure where you have to just be patient, and you have to spend 15 to 20 minutes, and by submitting that you will be able to upload your product and services, and you can go for the marketplace request. So once you submit your product and service, the request will come to us, and within a span of 24 to 48 hours, we will approve the entire thing. So this is all about CITrade.in. And if you have got any Q&A related to questions related to this particular platform, kindly type it in the question box so that I can answer the entire questions. And if you have got any further doubts, you can always write to me at signup.p@cloudbuy.com, or you can just reach me at 704-223-6975.